Alright, good morning everyone. Come on. Come on. It is the 30th of July. I can't believe July is literally, tomorrow is the last day. Oh, good job. Yeah. Can't believe it. Remi. There's a chicken over there. Cute. Do you see the chicken round? Come on. What do you think of the chicken? He's going. Be nice. No. No. Be nice. It's just a chicken. We don't chase chickens. Come here. We don't chase chickens. There she goes. I don't want you to chase the chicken. I wanted you to see it. She was going to chase it, guys. Yeah. No, we're not going this way. Now it's gone. It's the same chicken from earlier today. Oh, there's some more over there. Gonna go potty around? So we hope you're doing well on this beautiful morning. So yeah, we tried our fire pit. It didn't lit last night, so we didn't really have a fire. So maybe today, I don't know. We'll have to see. Remi, come here. So, yep. That is what I'm doing this morning. I had to clear my head because there's kind of drama with family already, and I'm like, I can't do that. But yeah, we're having a good time. So yeah, we're not doing much this morning. I just wanted to have Remi go for a walk and just enjoy the morning walk. She's not pooping yet, but that's alright. Maybe she will soon. I just love it. I'm going to miss this place. Tomorrow's our last day. Well, today's our full day and tomorrow's our last morning. Morning tea. Yummy. And then it's eggs and turkey bacon. So yummy. Remi has some dog wet food, little pieces of turkey bacon, and some scrambled eggs. And yes, she had to be spoiled. Come on. And one last piece of turkey bacon. Then it's time to journal and reflect on our time here and my morning and why I was emotional. I think I was emotional because of leaving. I get like that when I have to leave, LOL. But it's all good, and I really am enjoying this time and journaling. I haven't done journal for a while, and I think I'm going to continue because this was really good for me. Come on. Oh, my God. Chicken. Oh, butterfly. Hello. Go potty. Come on. There's no pony, I know. Go potty. There's the horse. There we go. Sit. Oh. Alrighty. Look at. Heard a bird. He's cute. We got to take a cab where it allows dogs in it, and we went to the beach. Here is the harbor where all the boats are. So cool. And then we make it to the beach. I forget which one it's called. Hi! Oh, how you doing? Silly girl. Remi, are you at the beach, baby? Yeah. It's the beach, everyone. Oh, look at that boat over there. All right, we're at the beach. That boat. Boat over there. Oh, are those your paw prints, man? Come here. Yeah. Oh, it is. Oh. Good for mental health as well, y'all. Water. You gonna dig? Oh, my feet are hot. Oh, I need to put my shoes back on for a minute.
Wait, come step in the water.
Hold on, she's digging. We're digging.
We should have the long way.
I know. What's wrong, Ruru? You're okay. She loves the beach. There's that boat there. You guys see? Pretty cool. Then they got excavator over there. Oh, another boat, Remi. Look at so many boats. Oh, someone's on a ski. Nice. Look at that boat, guys. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. What am I looking at? And the brightness is so not good. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's going. Hi, babies. How's it doing? I know you're all full of sand. We're gonna go for a walk in a minute. How are you? There's your paw print, I think. We put her paws in the water. She did so good. She's so cute. And then an ice cap with chocolate milk. It was delicious. Okay, here, grab it. It's recording. There's a fish in the water. There's a fish in the water. There's a huge fish in the water. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a huge fish in the water. It's alive and it's like at shore. I don't know if you can see it, but oh my god, there's a huge fish. Alrighty, the horse is still out and we're back. Okay, come on, let's go potty. We didn't go potty at the beach. We had a great time. We actually are wiping our paws down with water and stuff. She's gonna go potty. She did go pee. But yeah, we're back, which is great. Yeah. You had fun at the beach? Alright. I'm gonna end this. There will be part 2. Hug and love your pets. Don't stop believing, self-embrace for today. I stop her.